Hello, today's a move day. You gotta love those, packing everything back up. But we are headed on a short trip, about 3.5 hours, excuse me, to Milwaukee, where we'll put it in the Wisconsin State Fair Campground. We'll be there 2 nights. Our son's being sworn in as a police officer tomorrow. We don't want to miss that. And then Tuesday, we'll start making our trek to the Elkhart Campground in Elkhart, Indiana. It's for the National Alliance Alley Rally. Can't wait.
Johnson Creek.
Swear that I will support
Swear that I will support
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of Wisconsin,
and the Constitution of the State of Wisconsin,
and will faithfully
and will faithfully
and impartially
and impartially
Well, we're finally on the way. Fueling up and headed to Elkhart Campground for the 2024 Alliance Pre-Rally Rally. Let's hope Chicago is uneventful. We do have some storms coming in. Elkhart, Indiana, the heartland of RV manufacturing. Once set up, I had some free time and decided to launch the drone. Take a look around the Elkhart Campground and all of the Alliance RVs. Elkhart Campground, situated on 25 acres, is the perfect place to camp while visiting your RV manufacturer or attending a rally or a summer vacation. Resort hosts a pool, cabins if you don't have an RV. They are open April 1st to November 1st.
The next morning.
First guy. Do we need the map first?
I might want to.
Okay.
As the Midwest's largest outdoor flea market, the Shipshewana Flea Market. What?
They give you this is how thick the guide is for the directory. Holy cow. ATM machine. We need an ATM machine.
Hi. Shipshewana Flea Market is open during the summer months of April 30th to September 25th on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is the place they say to go if you're looking for bargains on home decor, clothing, produce, plants, tools, hard to find tools, crafts, books, beauty supplies, on and on and on. Always on a Scotty hunt.
Yeah. 40.
This is how I shop a flea market. Let her walk around and find everything. I've got all the money. All right, so the Shipshewana, did I say that right? Shipshewana?
I think so. Amish flea market. Slightly different than what I expected.
Yeah, if you're looking for something, they probably got it. Or something very, very
Of the
close.
usual flea market stuff. I thought there'd be more Amish furniture and antiques and farm antiques, and there really wasn't that much. But it goes for miles.
It's actually my first flea market.
Oh, so you've got nothing to compare it to.
But nobody was selling fleas. What?
Okay, anyway, but the Amish, not Amish, the Yoder farm is huge out here in Shipshewana, and they have a huge farmers market, you know, meat and cheese.
Yep. We partook 2 pounds of fresh bacon and cheese
The
and
meat and the cheese.
pies.
Now, this is Indiana, and I'm like, cheese, please. We're from Wisconsin. And the lady bragged that their cheese was better than Wisconsin, which I thought was humorous.
Yeah.
But it did look great. It was very well presented. And the meat was amazing.
Smoked string cheese, so we'll see.
And the prices were Indiana perfection.
Yeah, not bad.
Really good.
All right, time to get back to the pre-rally. Rally.
Yes, back to, you know,
And Teddy.
acting naughty.
Yep.
It's hot today.
Not as bad as yesterday.
It's 90 degrees and it's 5 o'clock at night.
It's not 90, it's 80 something.
Okay.
This has been sitting there.
Gorgeous.
Now that is some true horsepower. On our way. Elkhart 4-H.
Woohoo!
The pre-rally has been moved.
Well, yeah, half of them.
We're going in to set up. We got ourselves a convoy. Oh, really? They're at the registration.
We were camping in the yellow section, behind the exhibit halls and convention center. We had 30 amp service, fresh water, and pump outs if we desired. Oh, by the way, 30 amps wouldn't have mattered. We have solar. If you haven't seen our video on our solar, you need to check it out. We can run all 3 air conditioners
Kevin won't mind.
on a sunny day. And for the second year in a row, we met up with Dustin and Leslie of the Wayward Wags and went to a South Bend Cubs game. This time they were playing the Brewers affiliate. Yes, Milwaukee won. But what a fantastic time.
We'll be back later because this is exactly what we were looking for.
Oh, the cleaning.
Yes, we'll be back. But nice display.
Thank you. I'm also driving around today shaking hands with doing demonstration.
Oh. Well, we're in the employee section, so that would not be to your advantage. But over in Yellow 12.
Oh, you're over here?
Yes. They don't put us with the normal people. Keep us in
I'm
the-
up on Harvard's Hill.
Yes. So, yeah, no, we'll talk later.
Yeah, come find me even after
You
hours.
should come to the sign-in right now. Everybody's, yeah, they're picking up their bags.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Overstep. Yeah.
I don't want to overstep. I don't mind driving around and catching people shaking hands and handing out free bottles.
Yep.
But that's part of the.
Oh, you be.
No, I'd be
This is a
interested.
relaxed group.
Definitely interested in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come
Oh, that's a
find me.
great.
All right.
After hours, I'll probably be up having a cocktail sitting in front of the rig.
Cool.
But, do you see what I see?
What? Oh, furniture.
Oh, oh, there's our favorite. Yeah, we know. We're very familiar. might steal it. I tried to find these. I saw Link had one.
Anything there? Nothing there?
And here's an Alliance prototype.
Give him a special picture. And I went, you know, I tried to. She goes, no.
Are the shot glasses over there anywhere?
Somebody's walking around with him. Somebody's walking around handing them out.
Oh, he's right here.
Right here.
Tammy.
What are we supposed to put on there? Just our name?
Sure.
Name and
Social security number,
Yeah.
tax ID.
date of birth. Yeah. I don't know. Credit card number.
The woman.
The house is the distillate that comes right straight off from the still before it goes into the barrel. So we got a bottle of that here, but this is what was left over from last year of the white dog,
Yeah.
and I put my own oak into it and aged it that way. So it kind of give you an idea of the differences that what.
Having fun, honey?
What's the stuff
When they find out how many bottles of Buffalo Trace I have in my ottoman, I'm going to be the most popular girl here.
No, you won't.
And no matter what the problem is,
I've never heard
it's not minimal, that's the sale. Here, and one is custom specifications. Then
The following day.
Morning.
Last common phrase. Funny phrase. Oh yeah, no more important thank you to our Canadian contingent here for bringing us important in this morning. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Really enjoyed that.
Telling our stories as a brand that means so much to us. I just got a couple of quick things I want to talk about. As you guys are on social, no matter what platform it is.
Hey Billy, should have found better pictures of us. Could have photoshopped some more hair in here. Yeah. Truth hurts.
And at the rally, Alliance unveiled their all brand new Alliance mobile RV service. This is a concept, first of its kind. It will be starting in the northwest of the U.S. We got together for the premiere of Season 2, Episode 1, RV-UnPlugged. And attending the rally were several former and current contestants. And look who won 2 tickets to the finale in Auburndale, Florida.
Well, that's a wrap.
that's a wrap. Are you getting my chin in this?
Yes. I can see you. Can't help it, you're so short, but vertically challenged. Or what did he say? You must have been good at miniature golf.
No, I am not short and
But that's a wrap. The 2024 Alliance National RV Rally in
Yes.
Goshen, Indiana.
Oh my God, so much fun. But we worked hard at this.
Oh, food service, but
Steve,
so much hard. So hard that we actually took an extra day for recovery day, laundry day.
yeah.
Most people are they left yesterday, and the stragglers are heading out today, unless they have an appointment with the mothership, which I've talked to a couple that do.
But it's so peaceful after everybody leaves. Goshen and Elkhart is lovely. It's really beautiful. We had great weather, a little rain, which was nice because the grass stayed really green. Sometimes it gets really hot in northern Indiana.
No, for the most part, it's pleasant weather.
It was beautiful.
Nights got chilly enough for campfires,
Yeah,
and now
and great friends. Oh my God, so many new great friends. We miss them already.
old friends and brand new friends, and we can't wait until we see them on the road or again back here next year.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
A year is too long.
Yes, it is. But we're going to be traveling to northern Wisconsin for our summer seasonal spot.
Yep.
So a long travel day. We have to go through Chicago, and I'd rather go Sunday than a Saturday.
It'll be fine.
So we shall see you on the road.
Take care, everybody. Safe travels.
Be safe out there and enjoy life. Hit that click and subscribe button. We're going to Hawaii.